Hello guys, it's Luke here, and today I'm going to bring you a video about how to actually speed up your PC. In this video I'm going to show you just simple things that you can do to really speed up your PC and make it run as if it was brand new. You're not going to have to purchase any software, although purchasing some software could be better for you. However, I'm going to show you how to do this all for free. Part 1, the startup. The first thing that we're going to do is click Start and then write msconfig, so it should spell msconfig, and hit Enter. This will bring up the System Configuration tab. We're going to click on the Boot tab, and then from here you're going to select No GUI Boot. What this does is it stops all the flashy looking things at the start when your PC is just turned on. This can be, for example, the Windows logo spinning around on the screen. Anything that is animated will now be stopped and skipped, so it will actually get onto the Windows much faster. The second thing we're going to do is click Advanced Options, check Number of Processors, and select the most amount of processors you've got. Now what this will do is it means all the processors will boot up together, and it will boot up Windows all together at the same time, so one processor isn't doing it on its own. Next we're going to go to timeout. We're going to set this to 3 seconds. What is timeout? Well, timeout shows you a screen which displays how many operating systems you've got, or what operating system you want to start. If you've only got one operating system, you select this at 3 seconds. 3 is the shortest time you can go for. As you can see, it must be between 3 and 999. What it does is it basically just skips the screen where it shows you what operating system you'd like to boot up. I've only got one, so I put mine at the lowest. If you've got more than one, you probably want to select this at about 10 to 15 seconds. Then we're going to go into Startup. Now here you'll see a long list of programs, and all these programs are starting up when when Windows first logs on. Now I've already disabled some of these, but I'm going to disable some more. Now we can do is show the startup item and show the manufacturer. So here I've got my audio manager, I do need that. I've got my security, I need that. This is something from Microsoft, obviously I'm going to need that. uTorrent, I don't really need that starting up. JMB36X IDE setup, I don't actually know what that is. So all you got to do is just go into Google, and then just simply search it up. JMB 36X. As you can see, someone has already searched this up. IDE setup, or startup, sorry. IDE start up. There you go, on the first link, program information. This is a valid program that is required to run at startup. But what is it? Normally things like this do actually tell you, but that says it is required on startup. Well, there you go. What is this? This controller. So it's something to do with your hard drive, so obviously I'd leave that on. Dual core optimizer, I'd leave that on. Microsoft Connect, yep. iTunes, yep. All these things, yeah, that's perfectly fine. So once done that, you're going to hit apply and OK. And that's it for part 1. That's it for the startup. In part 2, we're going to cover clearing the clutter.